Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have an unboxing for you, which I'm going to do now. I also have a special announcement about my shop opening, and I'm going to show you some products at the end after I've unboxed this. So let's just remove those, nothing else. Okay, so here I have the Sketch Wallet Tone Tan sketchbooks, and I also have here the limited edition page clips, and I also have some pencils. So what we'll do is we shall open this up as best as I can. Okay, so these are the refill sketchbooks, and I have got the normal ones, but I've never ever tried the tone tanned ones, so I am looking forward to testing those out. These are the page clips. So this is the normal one, and this is the limited edition one. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in again. There you go. And I'm just going to pop that, there we go, just like that. So that helps you keep your page. And then we also have some pencils. I kind of want to keep this sticker because I do like to keep things. I'm one of those people. Okay, so inside here we have some brand new 2B Sketch Wallet pencils, which you use to draw in the book. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you guys what products I sell in my shop. I was going to show you what I have on my shop. So I have some enamel pins. So I have my Echo enamel pin for sale. I have my Save the Bees pin for sale too. I also have made some little button badges. So we have the classic Doodle Bob, because you know how much I love SpongeBob. And I've also just made a Animal Crossing Marshall button. I will make some other characters eventually when I get round to it. I also have some stickers. So we have the Save the Whales stickers. We have an Ariana Grande sticker, and I also now sell prints of my artwork, which you'll see on my YouTube. So yeah, if any of you would like any of these or would like to check out my shop, it'll be in the top link of the description box. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. And now I think we should do a test drawing in this sketchbook. Okay,